Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about position elements in CSS, part of web technologies course. In CSS, the position property is used to specify the positioning of an element on a web page. It can take on several different values, including static or default. The element is positioned according to the normal flow of the document and does not have any special positioning applied to it. Relative value is positioned relative to its normal position in the document flow. You can use the top, right, bottom, and left properties to specify how far the element should be offset from its normal position. In this example, the element with an ID of example is positioned relative to its normal position in the document flow, and it is offset 20 pixels up and 30 pixels left. Absolute element is positioned relative to the nearest positioned ancestor element instead of the viewport like fixed, but still removes it from the normal document flow. In this example, the element with an ID of example is positioned relative to the nearest positioned ancestor element and is offset 10 pixels down and 20 pixels right. Fixed element is positioned relative to the viewpoint and does not move when the page is scrolled. In this example, the element with an ID of example is positioned relative to the viewport and is offset 10 pixels up and 20 pixels left, and it will not move when the page is scrolled. Sticky element is positioned based on the user's scroll position. When a user scrolls past a certain point, the element sticks to a certain position on the screen. In this example, the element with an ID of example is positioned based on the user's scroll position. It will stick to the top of the page when user scrolls. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.